Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. I am Vallavi Gaikwad. Students, I am teaching maths. We have started with the lesson number 2, addition and subtraction of 2-digit number. In this we have started subtraction. Okay, addition was over, now we started subtraction. Can you tell me how we have done subtraction? What is the meaning of subtraction? Yes, how I have shown you? I took 6 pencils that day, and from 6 pencils I had cut 1 pencil, and how many were remain? 5 were remain. Yes. So this is called as subtraction. Now after that we are going to see subtraction with regrouping. Now what is this subtraction with regrouping? Whenever you are getting new number or another number, that is called as regrouping. Now see here, page number 29. Use number strips to subtract 59 from 97. Now see here, in this you can see, from this you have to take away 5 tens and 7 ones, but there are only 5 ones in 95. So change 1 10 in 95 to ones. Now you have 8 tens and 15 ones as shown here. You can now take away 5 tens and 7 ones. You are left with 3 tens and 8 ones, 38. So 95 minus 57 is equals to 38. Now see here, for example, how you have done here. I will just show an example. 52 minus 1. In this way you have done. From 2 minus 1 it will go. Yes, 2 fingers cut 1 is remain, and here 5 fingers cut 1, 4 is remain. In this way you can do. But if it is like this, how you will do? Now suppose if it is in this way, how you will do? This 1 will not go from 2, as here 2 will go from 1, so 1 is remain. But 1 minus 2 will do? No. So for this what you want to do? For this you want to borrow from the next number. Now in this way you will do. This 1 is 11 will become, and this will become 4. In this way you are going to do. Then 11 minus 2 is 8, 9, and this is 3. In this way you are going to do this regrouping. This is called regrouping. Now see here, in this example you can also do this in the short way. Subtract the ones. Now you cannot take away 7 ones from 5 ones. Now this is 7 ones and 5 ones. Now you can't take from 7 ones to 5 ones. From 7 minus 5 you can do. 7 minus 5, that is how much? 2. But 5 minus 7 you can do? No, you can't do. So change 1 tens to 10 tens. Now if 1 tens is there, you want to change into 10 tens. Then now you have 15 ones. Okay. When you will change this is called regrouping. When you will change 15 ones minus 7 ones is equals to 8. Then write 8 in the ones column. Subtract the tens. Now you have 8 tens. How many are there? 8 tens. 8 tens minus 5 tens is equals to 3 tens. In this way you can see here how the example is done. See here, subtract the ones. You cannot take away 7 ones from 5 ones. As I have shown you in the example, you can't minus from 1 minus 2, you can't do in this way. 2 minus 1 you can do in this way. So change 1 10 to 10 tens. Now 1 10 is there, so you have to change that into 10 tens. Now you have 15 ones. So 15 ones minus 7 ones is equals to 8 ones. Write 8 in the ones column. Then subtract the tens. Now you have 8 tens. 8 tens minus 5 tens is equals to 3 tens. Write 3 in the tens column. You have 3 tens and 8 ones. In this way you can do. Now see here, on the strip they have given, these are 9 tens. Okay, 9 tens and 5 ones it is. In these 9 tens and 5 ones, that is 95, they have shown you have to cut how much? 95, you have to cut 57. So, in downs this they have shown here, when you cut from here 1, only 8 are remain, and then from here that 1 is went this side, then here will become 15. So, this box, individual box are 15 ones. First they were only 5 ones. When you will take from that side, it will become 15 ones. In this way you are going to solve this problem. Now turn the page, page number 38. So in this way you can see here how it is done. First they have cut 5. From 5 minus 7 it will not go. So you will cut this, it will become 15. And here it will become 8. Then 15 minus 7 is 8 and 8 minus 5 is 3. This is called regrouping. In this way you are going to solve the example. Okay. Now I have explained here in the strip. See here, previous what I had told you, this one. By this strip we have understood, okay. In this way we have seen here how it is done, how minus and how to take. This we are borrowing from this number, from tens we are taking 1 and we are giving 1 to ones. Okay, so 5, when you will give ones to 5 it will become 15, and here in tens if 9 is there, when you will give it will become 8. Okay, in this way you can solve the exercise. Now turn the page. Now see here, first one, 9 minus 1. Okay, tens is 9 tens minus 1 and ones is 0 minus 5. Now from 5 it will go what? No, it will not go. So what you will do here? For 0 you will do here 10 and for 9 here you will do 8. Okay, in this way then 10 minus 5 is 5 and 8 minus 1 is 8 fingers. Remove children, 8 fingers. Remove 1. How many are remain? Yes, 7. Yes. Okay, in this way you are going to do. Then second, 10, here will come 2. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 tens, 1 ones. Then 2. From 2 minus 9 it will go? No. So what you will do here? You will do 12 and here 3. Then 12 minus 9. How much? 3. And 3 minus 1, 2. Then in this way only you will do 11 and 7. 7, 4. 7 minus 1, 6. Okay, in this way you are going to solve the sums. Solve it with me only in the book itself. Then next is 10, 8 minus 1 and 0 minus 4. 7. Then 10. Now 0, when you will give a add, here it will become 10 and 10 minus 4 is 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. Then 2, it becomes 12 and here 3. Then 12 minus 9 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 10, 3. Then 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 13 and here 4. 13 minus 8. 10, 11, 12, 13. 8, 3, 4, 5. 13 minus 8. And 4 minus 3 is 1. 11, 2. Then 10, 11 minus 9 is what? 10, 11, 8, 2, sorry. It is 2 and 1. In this way you are going to solve the sums. Okay. Then next is 2, 12 and here 2. Then 12 minus 8, 11, 12, 8, 5 and 1. Okay. In this way you can solve the sums. So exercise 13 you will solve it as a homework. Then exercise 14, see here next. Remaining sum you will solve it as homework in the textbook itself. Then exercise 14. We will go to exercise 14. In this I will show you 3 sums and that also remaining you can do at home. See here now, exercise 14, subtract 9 tens minus 1 tens and 1 ones minus 7 ones. How you will do here now? In this way only you are going to 1 minus 7. Does it goes? No, it will not go. So what you want to do? You will cut this. 1 will become 11 and here 9 it will become 8. Then 10, 11, 7, 4. 11 minus 7, it is 4. Then 8 minus 1 is 7. Got it? In this way, same here, 12, then here 3, 10, 11, 12, 5, 6, 7. 12 minus 5, how much? 7. 3 minus 2 is 1. Then 13, 4. 13 minus 7, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7, 3, 6, 12, 13. You can do the rough work also. 10, 11, 12, 13. From this 7 cut, 6 will remain. Okay, 4 minus 3 is 1. Then 2, 12 and 4. From this you can cut 10, 11, 12, 9, 3. 12 minus 9 is 3 and 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay children, have you understood this? In this way you can solve the remaining examples also. Then we will go next to the story sums. See here. In these story sums, we have done addition also, story sums, subtraction story sums, then regrouping story sums of addition and now regrouping story sum of subtraction. Now see here, first example is done. Out of the 52 students in a class, 28 are girls. Okay. Then how many boys are there in the class? I will repeat again one more time. Out of the 52 students are there total, and in a class, okay, 52 are there and 28 are girls. Then how many boys are there in the class? Total 52 students are there and they have told only girls. Girls are how many? 28. Then how many boys are there in the class? Here you can see number of students, that is 52. The number of girls, that is 28. And how you are so number of boys are, how many boys are there? 24. This how they have done here? See here 2, they 2 will cut into 2 will become 12, and from 5 you will cut and it will become 4. So 12 minus 8 is 4 and 4 minus 2 is 2. So total number of boys are 24. In this way you can solve the exercise. Then second one, Ramesh bought 66 bananas from the market. 38 of them fell on the ground and got spoiled. How many bananas are left with Ramesh? Now see here, in this way only you can do. Number of bananas, that is 66. Then how many he brought? 66. And from that how many were fell down? 38. Then how many bananas are left with Ramesh? In this way only you can do this also. Number of bananas, that is 66. Then how many were felled? Number of bananas were felled on that is 38. So what you will do? How many bananas total? Number of bananas were left. How many were left? How you will do this now? 6 minus 8. It will not go. Then what you will do here? You will do 5 and here you will do 16. Then 16 minus 8. How much? 8. And 5 minus 3 is 2. Now see here children, in this way you can solve. Now if you want to see the answer is correct, whether the answer is correct or no, for this what you will do? See here, only you can take this 38 plus 28. If you want to check the answer, now 28 is the answer, but you are confused whether my answer is correct or no. So in the rough column you can do in this way, 38 plus 28. How much is this? 8 plus 8 is 16. Okay. Then 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1 is 6. Your answer is correct. Here 66 is there. Your answer got, means in this way also you can check your answer by yourself whether it is correct or no. Do the addition of these two and then whatever answer is there, your answer will be same. So you will be not confused. Okay, in this way you can solve the remaining exercise. Then exercise in the school. Next example, see, in the school hall there are 98 seats, of which 69 seats are occupied. How many seats are vacant? Same way, in the same method you are going to solve each and every sum by regrouping. There are, then next example, there are 73 apple trees and 66 palm trees in a farm. How many more apple trees are there than palm trees? In this way you can solve this story sums in your notebook only, and whatever the exercise are given from textbook you will solve in textbook. Okay. Then turn next page. See here, calculation, this as a mathematics for concept and calculation skills. As you have solved all sums, addition, subtraction, in this way only, if you want to do more and if you want to practice, you can solve this exercise in the textbook itself. Here fill in the blanks using the properties of addition. In addition we have seen that if 54 plus 45 is equals to 99, then 45 plus 54 is equals to dash. How much it will come? Same, 99. You can write there 99. Then 32 plus 41. 32 plus 41 plus 16 is equals to 89. Then 16 plus 32 plus 41. In the previous lesson addition I had told you whether the written in different ways, but the answer, your total is the same. So here also 89. 34 plus 41 plus 16 is given, and here it is given 16 plus 32 plus 41, but the total doesn't change, the total is one and the same. Then add or subtract as required. Here you want to do addition. 6 plus 2 is 7, 8. Then 3 plus 4 is 78. Then 9 plus 3 is 9, 10, 11, 12. Then 5 plus 2 is 7 and plus 1, 8. Then here 3 digits are there. 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 3 is 13. Then 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 2, 7, 8 and plus 1, 9. Then 8 plus 7. How I told you to solve here in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now everything you should count together. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, yeah, 2 here 0. Then 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 2, 8, 9. In this way you will solve. Then next one, minus. 9 minus 1. It will go 9 minus 1. Can you cut from 9 minus 1? Yes, you can cut. So 9 minus 1 is 8. 6 minus 3 is 3. Then here 3 minus 6. Can you cut? No. What you will do here? You will cut this. It will become 13 and this will become 5. Then 13 minus 6. How much will come? 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then 5 minus 3 is 2. Here 13 and here 8. Then here will come 6 and here 4. Then here 8, 18. 9 will come and here 8. In this way you are solving the sums. Then next one, see here, Meena has 62 story books and Mamta has 48 story books. Who has less story books? How many less? Here you can do in a short, in the textbook itself you can do. Okay. Now this much I have told. Remaining whatever is there you will solve in the textbook itself. Solve it. Okay. Thank you very much.